In this video, I'm going to quickly discuss how to use the income tax table. So I have here the income tax table, and what you will do is first compute what we call the taxable income. So I will give the formula of this one in a future video. So after you compute the taxable income, you will refer to this column. You have the brackets there to determine the formula that you will be using to compute what we call the income tax due. Basically, this is the amount of tax that you will pay. And that's it. But you have to remember here that the amount that you will plug in as taxable income should be annual. It should be yearly data. So let's say you are given a taxable income of 350,000. How do we now compute the income tax due? So first, you refer to the first column. Where is 350? 350 falls in this bracket, right? So that's your bracket. What's the formula? It says there that you will get 20% of the excess of your amount over 250. So basically, you get your amount 350 minus 250,000. So inside you have 100,000, right? So 100,000 times 20%, that's 20,000. So if your taxable income is 350,000 per year, your income tax due, the amount of tax that you will pay for that year is 20,000. So that's how this works. Another, how about if you are given 1.5 million? So how do you get the income tax due? So 1.5 million falls under the 800,000 to 2 million bracket. And the formula for this one is, it says there that you get 130,000 and then add the product of 30% and the excess of your amount over 800,000. So it's 1.5 million minus 800k. So inside you have 700k, right? 700k times 30%, that's 210. So 210 plus 130, that's 340k, right? So it's 340,000. Sir, what if I'm given a taxable income of 800,000, which is in two brackets? Can use two for this one. The 400k to 800k bracket and also the 800k to 2 million bracket. So which one will I use? You can use both, it's the same. So let's try it with 400 to 800. It says there that you get 30,000 and then you will add the 25% of the excess of your amount. Your amount is 800,000 over 400k. So 800k minus 400k. Inside you have 400k. 25% of that is 100,000, right? So if you add, you will get 130,000. How about for 800 to 2 million? So if your amount is only 800,000, the basis is 130,000. So it's the same. Okay? And that's how you use the income tax table. Very easy, right? And that's it.